Hello again, and welcome to another one of my ongoing HTML5 The Basic series. In this episode, I'm going to cover the oh-ho-so mighty span tag. Now, the span tag is kind of interesting because before HTML5 came out with all these semantic tags, the only real way we had to, kind of tag text without really modifying it or putting a p tag around it was exactly that. It was to use the span tag. The span tag does no visual or style changes whatsoever. So it is literally a blank tag. Now the nice thing with it is that as a blank tag, it gives you the opportunity to do anything you need with CSS or JavaScript without having to wrap it in some tag that you may not want to use it. So the span tag is literally used just to span it. It's also used to group inline elements inside of a document. So let's just go ahead and use it. So we're going to put back a p tag. And we're going to say, span tags are really cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a span around the word span. Whoop. So we're going to drop it, drop it, drop it. Okay, so we got a span tag in here. Now, if we go ahead and save this and take a look at our web page, you'll see that it says span tags are really cool, and there's no effect to it. It's pretty standard, no visual effects, and this is exactly what we expect. This is what we want, and that's why span tags are pretty awesome. And there's really not much more to cover on them because you can class them, you can ID them, you can use all the global events or global attributes and event attributes that you normally would use HTML5, but you can use them on the span tags. And that's what makes them so useful and powerful. And that's why you probably see them all over if you actually look at the structure of web pages and stuff. It's really nice. Like if you want to make a word one color and you only have to do that in a few places, just throw a span tag around it, throw a class on it, and you're done. So that's why it's great. I hope you learned something, and have a good one. Peace.